Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now I'm going to buy food. Shelly is hungry. I didn't cook food today, so I will buy it. We call it karinderya. We buy it in karinderya. So let's see if she have something. Oh, she didn't cook. So we go on the other side. Oh, po, hindi. It's over here. I will buy food. Hello, Nanay! Ano luto mo? What is your food today?
Kunti-kunti na lang.
Anong ulam mo?
Kaldereta,
Caldereta, tapos
fritada,
apitada,
dinuguan.
tapos yung isa?
Wala.
So, apritada. Sige, isang apritada at saka isang dinuguan.
Bakit
Mabablog kami. Mablog. YouTube ba? YouTube. Makikita ka na sa YouTube na eh.
sus, wag mo na akong ipakita.
Saka tatlong kanin.
Kumakain mo siyang dinuguan.
Hindi, ako lang. Hindi naman kumakain eh. Yeah, this is we always buy food when we get hungry, when I'm not cooking at the house. So, I'll buy here.
Tatlong klase na lang yun.
Mainit ngayon na yun, no? Sorry. Mimi! We have got also. Kano lahat na eh?
120.
120.
Dali lang. Marumi na to.
Sa ilalim. Thank you. Yeah, let's go. So hot today, guys. So I'm heading back home. That's why I bring my umbrella. It's so hot today. It's so hot today. Okay. Knock knock. There you go. All right. So, can you take this umbrella, please?
Yeah. What did
menudo or apretada. One for you and the other one is dinuguan. You don't like dinuguan, right?
No,
Dinuguan means it's like they put a pig blood. So
oh, no. No, no, thank you.
oh yeah. So see you guys. Have a good day and God bless.